Hey y'all, it's Carmen with Real Life, Real Life, and I'm coming to you to do a project share, a couple of project shares, and share a Christmas card I received. Um, y'all have to please forgive me. I have been not only so sick, I don't know if y'all know anything about stomach ulcers, but unfortunately, as I'm recovering from my cold, my head and chest congestion, all that mess, which actually wore me down. It took my energy and just, there was none. But with that being said, um, I started having stomach issues and I was out of my medicine. And so the last few days, it did put me behind, but I did get the projects that I had wanted to get done. And by the time you see this video, it's probably already out in the mail. I just don't know when I'm going to be able to upload. But anyway, let me go ahead and go with, oh my gosh, can I quit saying tonight? Let me share you my one and only, actually, besides what sweet, precious Denise sent me, the only Christmas card I have received this year. And I am so touched and so blessed. And this Christmas card, she has it all decorated up. And, and here's what I find is that she not only just put the decorative tape, it's all rounded and everything. I don't know how you do this, sweetheart, but even that is talent to me. Wow. But this comes from Sweet Ebony with Sharing More here on YouTube, and I know y'all all know her. So if you have not, please check her out. And she has made this gorgeous Christmas card, and it says Merry Christmas. She has added a ribbon bow on the top of it, put this beautiful Christmas paper in the background. And basically she just says, she stamped, and it says, have yourself a merry little Christmas, your friend Ebony. And I love that she dated it. And she's even, layered it with a white background that she has cut out. That is so beautiful, honey. Thank you so much. And like I said, other than what Denise sent me, this is my one and only Christmas card I received this year. So thank you. At least so far. I hope I get more, but it's just one of those things that means something to you, it's just a card, but it means something to me. All right, now the next thing I want to share with you is I had shared what we had done my prize drawing, and I did 2 bonuses, and I said I would work with my Martha Stewart paper pad, so I did. So I'm gonna start right here, and I did this one. Y'all seen these envelopes many a times, but it's this one obviously is in different paper, and it says Let It Snow. Now and then I took some of the snowflakes that I got from Walmart. Now I found these snowflakes, a lot of people have wondered, and they were this year, and they were actually at my marketplace. I have not been able to find the characters that y'all have found. I've looked and looked and looked, and I have not found them. And then, of course, another bow that was gifted by Precious Denise Becker. Let's see, and then I just lined it with the green. So actually, let me show you the back real quick. On this one, I detailed all in glitter. There was no glitter. It was just a flat, but I thought, snow on the pine cones and snow on the branches. So I glittered all that up with, is it stickles? Yeah. I glittered it all up with stickles, and I added the rhinestones and bling right through here on each of the branch. And then this one, like I said, this one has the cutout of Let It Snow. And then I put the green background around the cutout part. And this got all the ornaments. I want to try to, you know, show the paper on this one. This was one of my favorite papers, so I didn't want to cover up too much. And then this side, this pocket, I got these from Dollar Tree. I love these stickers. And if I can get my hands on some, I'm going to collect some more, at least for even next year, maybe. But it had this sticker. This is cut out from the paper pad. This says Joy to the World as well. And then cut out. And then I added the ornaments. And then I put the poinsettia on top of the ornaments for the bow. And then I added the pine cone and the beautiful candy cane. And then same here. This is the pocket. I lined the pockets with the plain leaf pattern. And then this one says Winter Wishes. And then I added the poinsettia in the center. The Big O Joy sticker sign. And this was another cutout because it has the houses on it, which actually match up here. And so I put Home for the Holidays. And then I glittered up. This was just a paper leaf and holly berries. So I kind of just glittered up around the leaves and did the outline of them. And then this one, I had gotten tags from my very first swap, and it just happened to match. And this I picked up, which I think was actually a banner because it's really thick. And I got it from Tuesday morning, I believe on clearance. And then I did a tag swap, and these colors matched so perfectly. And so I decided to use some of the tags on here. And it's got this gorgeous tree. And it's lifted up and raised up. Great, like, it's almost like chipboard. It's so thick. And this one says Happy Holidays. And I'm sorry if I'm blinging you out, because I know this is, like, very blingy. And then the top one has, this is from all this is from Martha Stewart paper pad. And I glittered all the houses up. Wherever snow was, I glittered with the stickles. And then, which I believe is the diamond. Yes, it's the diamond stickles. And then, this is another sticker that came in the same pack with from Dollar Tree. And then I had this Noel tree. I'd cut it out, rounded the corners. And then I'd started out, and like I said, I don't mind showing my mistakes because you do what you have to do to correct them so you don't throw a whole project away. But I took a paint pen and kind of did it stitching all the way. And then, of course, I messed up right here, and you could see. And I just didn't like the way it looked. So then I went back with my green glitter, which is the Zazzle that I got from Tuesday morning, and went over it. So that cleaned it up and made it look a little bit better. And that added 3 huge jewels that were gifted to me as well. So, yeah, there's that one. Now, the next one, I'm going to go through a little bit quicker because I still have a pocket share. Now, same paper pad, just different papers. So, this one I also gifted from Miss Sweet Denise Becker. I'm telling y'all, she gifted me so many bows. I've put them to use. And I could not thank her enough for that. So this one is the same leaf pattern I had showed that I had lined the pockets with on that one, except for I glittered this one up. This has all the polar bears, which I think is so cute because it's like the mama and the baby, and it's got presents in between them. And I just thought they were so cute. So this one I did the cutout with 'Tis the Season. I did a red glitter paper cutout and lined that. I did the snowflake down here. And then I took the jumbo glitter, did red, did white, and then I added the little flower bling in the center. And I hope y'all can see that. And then the back, I did the same paper thing. It's the leaves and the ivy. The leaves and the holly berry. And I just outlined all the leaves, kind of doing a quick thing. And then I added Peace on Earth with the pine cones. I did not glitter any of this up. And then another, another bow from Sweet Denise. And I had all these. This is a little tag. So I put the bow in the center of that. And then this one, again, I didn't want to cover up the image of all these pretty houses. I had glittered up. I didn't glitter up every house. I kind of just did the chimneys and then the trees. And then I did the snow. I hope y'all can see that. And then I had gotten some cards from Dollar Tree. And they were dimensional, so I popped off the snowman. This was gifted to me again in one of my entries. I wish I could remember who. But, sorry. It's so hard to keep up. I had such a blessing from so many. It's hard to keep up. And then this is a star sequin that was gifted to me in one of my packs as well. And then, again, another bow from Precious Denise. Excuse me. And then I just added white snowflakes to this one. And then I glittered up the little dots in this. This is another cutout. I need to look up who sent me these. I apologize for that so much, but I'm so blessed by it. The only reason I know Denise is because my bows are sitting right here for me to use constantly. And then I did this cutout of Let It Snow. And then I swirled it with the diamond stickles. And then I did swirls in the snow. And then, of course, we got the bears. And I did anything that was green, I touched it up with the Zazzle. And then I did that along the bottom. And then last but not least, I glittered up this pinecone paper once again. But, I wasn't sure what to put here. And I realized Denise had sent me these tags. Now, I did not want to use tags. The reason why is because I love these tags, but it just matched too good not to use it. And it was simple and easy to add on. And I've got some glue string on it. I apologize for that. But it was so simple and easy to add on. So I left it to where it could be a pocket. But that might be the only one I share because I'm so in love with those tags that they will probably get hoarded. So, if you're wondering, yes, those are going out to my 2 bonus winners. And then I've got one more thing to share, and I'm going to make it quick. My second place winner, also, before she had won, actually, we had talked because we had met through a swap. And we had already talked about doing a pocket letter swap, Christmas pocket letter swap with each other. And her name is Mara. And I'm not the biggest on pocket letters. This is only my second one. And I had told y'all before, my first one was very baby oriented. So I put washcloths and everything else. It wasn't meant to be flat. It was meant to be bulky. But with that being said, Mary and I had already decided that we was going to do a pocket letter swap, a Christmas pocket letter swap. And so we're doing that. And since her package is going out, I figured I'd just get it all in one package and send it to her. So I've added the snowflakes again. I've added some of the trims. And then I've included 2 bells. There's lace. There's eyelash trim. And there's pearls. And then, so you can see all that. And then you can hear the dingle. Now, what I try to do is kind of, I guess, fill it up with pictures. I didn't have to decorate so much. So, basically down the straight center is all the snowmen that I think are so cute, and I wouldn't want to cover them up. So I took the white snowflakes and kind of hit them off center, and then I had the Deck the Halls card and Meet Me Under the Mistletoe. I had those cutouts, and I didn't want to cover those up either. So I hit the four corners as far as decorating. And again, these were more gifts from all my entries. And this was from one of the dimensional cards I had picked up from Dollar Tree. And no, it may not be the best pocket letter ever, but I hope she loves it and appreciates it. I think it turned out cute. It's just not as detailed as I'd like. But hey, y'all know I've been so sick and so busy trying to get all your thank yous out and everything else. So what I included, okay, let's start with the back. The back, I just decorated on the cards, the front of the cards. I just put them together and shoved them in. So it's actually just one piece of a front, and a back. Now, each one is going to be different. Like this one is going to be snowman, but this one's polka dots. So this is what I like to do, me personally. Just simply because, and I must have, did I knock out the bling? I got to find it because I think I knocked out some bling. But I personally like just to put them together and it be one card, front and back. So basically I did some bling. I did 2 wreaths. This is my Merry Christmas. It's a little card inside with an envelope for my note. And then this one I did a wood chip and a snowflake. This one I also did a wood chip and snowflake. Now this is a die cut that I did. And this is the most unique one because I'd done this die cut in the center and I set it aside and I was like, yeah, I don't think that I want to do any more of those. And I thought, well, what am I going to use it for? And so I cut it up and used it for the center of the snow globe. And so I just did a traditional gold and white, and then I added some green eyelash tassel. I put here, let it snow. I added the cute little bear. I included a couple of jumbo clips, a couple of Christmas trees, and I also included some Merry Christmas cards that I received. Actually, I bought from CVS, and it had the envelopes with it. So that's my share. And like I said, these will probably, before I have the chance to get them in the mail, they will probably already in the mail before I get this uploaded. My stomach's starting to hurt as we speak, so I'm going to go ahead and sign off. I hope if I do not come back before Christmas, I hope I do, but if I do not come back before Christmas, I wish you all the best. I hope your health is better than mine and everybody is not getting so sick like I have, and everybody's feeling well and can celebrate the holidays in a blessed way and spending time with your family and loved ones. I wish you all the best always, and I hope y'all have a great holiday.